So Muhammad, what are you doing nowadays?
Actually, I'm confused with that. I have no idea which university should I choose.
I may be able to help you. I'll call my friend, he's gonna help you with that. He has good experience in Malaysia. Hello Abud, where are you? Come, I need your help please. Let's come. That was much worse. I'm not interested.
Hello everybody.
Hello, Abud has arrived.
What's up?
How are you doing? Have a seat, Abud. How are you?
I'm fine.
Abud, we need your help please. Muhammad came Malaysia to study and he has no experience about which universities are the best. He needs your advice, please.
هو ايش يحب ياكل وانا اوديه على احسن مطعم في ماليزيا.
Really, nigga?
What? What are you talking about, man?
لا 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 هذا الكلام ما ينفع. احنا ليش ما نتكلم عربي؟ ليش ما نعتز بلغتنا العربية؟ نتكلم انجليزي ليش؟ الصراحة هذا الكلام
عبد الله، ليش بتهوك علينا يا حيوان؟ ليش بتهوك يا حيوان؟
كلمتنا انجليزي وانت